I had posted a query on X asking for the best amateur radio logging software, thinking that there may be only 2 or 3 out there. To my pleasant surprise, there was a huge response from the global amateur radio fraternity, coming out with the large number of amateur radio logging software. Most of them also shared their personal experience with their favorite software. Being new to the field of logging softwares, I thought of compiling them for the benefit of other amateur radio operators who may not be aware of these like me. I will start off with N1MM, which I had tried once, while I am yet to try out the other ones. According to N1MM, N1MM Logger Plus is the most widely used contest logging program. It can be used for CW, phone and digital modes and has contest optimized features. N1MM warns us that program features are changing continuously and the manual may sometimes fall behind the code. We are advised to consult the N1MM update history notes for information on the newest features. But that page mentions that this list is no longer being maintained. Latest update is available at the download page. I was quite happy to note that the latest update was update 1.0.10628 February 25, 2025. That is exactly 1 week back. That update has 8,730 downloads. Maximum number of downloads was noted for N1MM Logger Plus update 1.0.9956 August 15, 2023, which has 59,113 downloads. Next, I'll go through the various other softwares in the order in which amateur radio operators posted them as a comment to my post. As I am not an expert on amateur radio softwares, I am not attempting to evaluate the pros and cons of each one. I was purely an analog person when I left amateur radio several years back and returned a couple of years back. Now I am trying to catch up with all new digital world, just like the legendary Rip Van Winkle. World Radio League was the first one to be posted. It supports general logging, parks on the air, summits on the air, and real-time contesting. It is multi-platform with website, mobile apps, and offline support. DX Lab Suite was the next to be posted. It is a suite of 8 interoperating applications that can be installed independently in any order. They sense each other and automatically interoperate when multiple applications are running. So it is not just for logging. It has other features like rotator control, language translation, and many more. Log4OM is now into version 2.35.10. It has facilities like call sign lookup, propagation analysis, award tracking, radio cat control, integration with N1MM, and supports SOTA and IOTA. There are many more features which will take time to learn fully. QLog is an open source software with details available at their GitHub page. It is an amateur radio logging application for Linux and Windows. It has option for rig control and rotator control using Hamlib and other applications. November 3 Foxtrot Juliet Papa logging program has facility for working contests as well. Interestingly, it is a family effort supported by Kilo Alpha 3 Sierra Echo Quebec, Kilo Bravo 3 Kilo Charlie November, and Kilo Bravo 3 Mike November Echo. It has been mentioned that their software library has more than 120 applications. Wavelog has facility to log from WSJTX, or send CAT data directly from radio to the Wavelog account using FLRig. It is available for Windows, Mac and Linux. HamRS is a simple portable logger tailored for activities like Parks on the Air, Field Day and more according to their website. Versions are there for Mac, Windows, Linux and Raspbian. It has been used on iPad as well. Uniform Romeo 5 Echo Quebec Foxtrot log is now into its version 3.0. It has CAT control option for operating digital modes and work with DX cluster. It seems to be a never-ending list as more options of logging software are being posted by radio amateurs from all over the world in response to my initial post on X. Let me profusely thank all who have participated actively in the discussion on the thread. As the list is still growing, I am not listing individual participants here as I am sure that the list will become outdated soon.